What if I told you a simple sleeping tracking app is making over $1 million every month? And today I'm going to rebuild it using only no code plus AI tools. No design team, no developers, no budget, just me and my laptop. And yes, you can build it too. Watch this. This app makes over $1 million every month. It is sleep cycle, tracker and sounds. Yes, this app makes over $1 million every month. And it is last updated was week ago. Yes, today it is 18 May. And this, it is May 7. Yes, you see that, 2025. It's only 1 week ago. Yes, it's updated 1 week ago. Also, this app makes over $30,000 every month. It is wedding planner. This app last updated was January 17, 2025. Also, this app makes over $200,000 every month. It is planner and journal. Yes, this app, the last updated was 2024. Yes, 1 year ago. So you can build it and copy all these features and you can make like this. Yes, like sleeping tracker app. This app in the App Store, sleep cycle, makes over $1 million every month. You see? So this sleeping cycle, it is sleep industry. It is $400 billion every year. Everyone wants to sleep better. We need to go ChatGPT and tell our prompt. Yes, we need to build this app, sleep cycle. Yes, we need to go and ask ChatGPT to create features and improvement of this sleep cycle. So to build it, we will use no code developer, AI developer. First, we need to go ChatGPT and ask how to create and give us a prompt. This is a prompt that I give ChatGPT. You see, give me a list of innovative user-loved features. I asked ChatGPT to give me features of this sleep tracking app to rebuild it. Yes, so I highlighted these features like sleep sound, library, alarm clock, and sleep better and weekly sleep. You see that integration and subscription system like a month and year. So let us click here and ChatGPT will create our features. We have our prompt. So let's go our AI developer. This is Lovable.dev. This is one of the best AI developer I used many times to build it AI apps. So let's create and paste here our prompt. So let's go ChatGPT and copy this and go ChatGPT and paste here your prompt. So this is comprehensive list of innovative user level sleeping track AI powered. So we have everything. Let us build Lovable, our AI SaaS. So click here. Lovable.dev started to build it our AI SaaS. So let's wait it. It is taking some moment. Wow, we got our AI SaaS, our sleep AI. Yes, you see that we have built it our AI SaaS. So Lovable.dev started and built it our AI SaaS. So this is our landing page. This is, you see that this is our AI SaaS that we built it. So let us test it. They started for free, and then at the game you can create your account like you make others. So fill this information. I agree terms and privacy policy, and then boom, create an account. You see that your account created successfully, and then boom, we have the dashboard. You see that we have amazing, yes, we have an amazing AI SaaS sleep. You see that everything is now good. You see that when we get soundness, we get more soundness. You see that, like nature, white noise, mediation, ASMR, and more. Let us click here an alarm. You see that wake up time, alarm sound. Also, you can turn off and you can on. Everything is in good. Yes. Also, in the status, you get your sleep score. Okay. And your profile. You see that? Your profile. Now you get everything. And your premium plan, like others. So we need to improve this app and make it better. So let us add and tell Lovable to make this better and add more features. I tell Lovable.dev to start and rebuild this AI SaaS, and some buttons are not working, like this. When we click start sleep, this is not working, and we need to get more features. Click here, and then Lovable.dev started to create and add more features and fixes our buttons. So let's wait. You see that Lovable.dev, I help you improve the app by fixing button functionality and enhancing the features, particularly the alarm page. You see that started the alarm page. Lovable.dev started and finished our fixed our problems and issues. So all these are working perfect. You see that everything is working perfectly and redesigned our AI SaaS. This is better. You see that everything, you see that you can, every tab is working perfectly, and I like it. Yes, I like it. You see that this is your ideal bedtime, 10:30, and your sleep score 82. Yes, sleep quality, duration, and everything is perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Only we need so you can now build your front end. Now you need to build your backend. But I don't want to build backend in this video. It is takes more time. If you want it a full complete, please let me know in the comment section. You see that this is our AI SaaS sleep AI. You see that when we open a new tab, everything is started smoothly and works perfectly. Also, you see that this is what our customer says. So also it has privacy, terms, contact and about page, logo and everything. You see that this trademark. So let's go and get started for free. Yes, fill this information like we do last time, and then agree our terms and conditions and go our yes. You see that everything is working perfectly. We tested everything and works smoothly like this. Everything works smoothly. So let's go and publish and our app. Yes, you can publish and make it live to use everyone. Yes, you can click here to publish your project. Like this, publish, and then click here, publish, and then boom, you have published your SaaS app and everyone can access smoothly. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe this channel. This channel we only make everything related AI, make it possible and it makes it life. If you want, yes, you see we have created our, you see that we have created and published it, our AI SaaS. Yes, you see that this is our AI SaaS. We have published it and everyone that has this link can access and use our AI SaaS. So if you want to create more AI SaaS, this video is for you. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Join us and comment whatever you like. We build it. Tell us in the comment what feature and what app you want to build. I will help you and give you a better prompts and better features. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.